Getting the error message, "A problem was detected with the TrueDepth Camera. Face ID has been disabled." This usually happens due to software glitches, hardware issues, or incorrect settings. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn it back on again. If these options are not available here, then go run a hardware test for your Face ID. Solution 2. Check hardware test for Face ID related issues. Go to App Store, type Check My Device, install and open these apps. Scroll down, find out Face ID test, tap Begin Test. Check if your Face ID works from here or not. If this doesn't work, this could be a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to Apple Care. But before you go, try these 2 quick settings. Solution 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 4. Update and give a reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then update it. If there is no software update, then go back, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the TrueDepth Camera issue and get Face ID working smoothly again. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you're still facing any issues or have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help.